Well, good morning, everybody. Alex Cobus Kayak Fishing here. Out here this morning on the Tennessee River, a bit closer to the dam today. Only been set up about 3 minutes here. Just got all my baits out. I got a live guy on this one, and I got two cut pieces on this one, head on this one, gut on this one. Gut's down in the furthest. Head's kind of sitting on that slope, probably about 20, 25 foot. And this guy's probably about, I'd say 8 to 9 foot. So, like I said, I've had luck here before. So just trying to see what's biting. Update y'all when I hook into something. Till then, just sit tight. Got a little action on this left rod here. Let's see if he takes off with it. I'm getting hit by a couple dinks. Nothing solid yet. See, yeah, it's dink action. Oh, there we go. Well, that's first fish of the day, it looks. Oh yeah, he got a little pull to him. I do have a little bit of current to deal with, but not much. It's on that headpiece I had out there, bluegill. Oh, it might be a little flathead. Bucket mouthing me, swimming with the river. Oh yeah, what do we got here? Oh yeah, nice little and he threw that bait off there. Son of a gun. Man, something tore that one all up. Retie again. Luckily he wasn't a monster then, I guess. He's pretty though. Nice dark colors. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Excellent first fish of the morning. Real pretty colors on this one. Really dark. So, heck yeah. I'm gonna retie this line. Something beat it all up. So retie this line, get some more bait back out there. I guess they're hitting on cut bait. Folks, this bait barely even hit the bottom and it's already getting action. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stupid. Did he take my bait? Or did I just pull it out of his mouth? Let's find out. That bait didn't even hit bottom, honestly. That's crazy. Good. That's good. Means we're in the right spot. Just gotta quit goofing up. Let's see, how's that hook set? Good thing. I reeled you back in. The hook set's awful. Back out there and try again. See if we get the same success. Got one on here, folks. Running right at me, straight up river. Sweet. Just kind of swimming right at me, I guess. Great, it means he's really going to fight at the boat. Drop this drag down a bit. Should be able to see him here soon. Should be decent. Doesn't feel like a monster. A little bit of current here too, so it makes him feel bigger. Yeah, it's decent blue. Yeah, well, it's because you didn't want to fight when I was reeling you in. But you're spinning. Yes, 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 we know. There we go. Oh, heck yeah, not too bad. Starting to get a few more. So, get this rod rebaited, get that other rod rebaited. That's what I was messing with when this one took off. Get him back out there and try to hook into some more. Update y'all when I do. Heck yeah. There we go, fish on. I will say, kind of felt like the bite died off here. It has been quiet and slow. So, welcome sight for sure. Big old gut chunk, center cut. Sitting in about 30 foot of water probably. I thought I'd be able to see him by now. Oh, let's see, what is he? Caught a little bit of a flash. Oh, nice blue. Nice blue. Just a little bit of current out here. Oh yeah, that's probably the nicest of the day. Oh, barely hooked. He's very well hooked. Heck yeah! Heck yeah! Take that for sure. All day. Sweet. Go ahead and get him back in there. I've got these other two rods out. I'll give it a little bit longer, but about out of bait. Oh, and away he goes. That's the one. That's the one I wanted. That bait hasn't even been out there 3 minutes. That's the little spot. Man, that was fast. That bait hasn't even been out there 2 or 3 minutes. Oh, that should be a nice one. I took off with that. Screaming drag. Should be seeing him here soon. Oh, about to double up. About to double up. That other rod just got action. Oh. Now that one's on. That feels like a nice one too. Do the old foot trick because I don't trust these rails yet. Heck yeah, well I got two. Oh gosh, yeah. That's a nice one there. Man, he's dark. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Big male blue. Oh. My goodness, bro. No. Oh, all right. Oh, man. Oh, there's that one. Heck yeah, I haven't felt much tug on this other one. But, man, he's got some shoulders on him. Get him back in. Away he goes. Let's see what's going on with this other one. I bet this one spit it. Let's find out. Nope, he's still on there. He feels decent too. Maybe not quite as big. Oh yeah. A little bit of pull. Well, I'll be honest, I'm not used to fighting them in this current. Up on the lake, there's barely any current, and down at my usual river spot, it's probably about 12 miles downriver from here. And the current really gets reduced when you get that far away from the dam. I'm probably only about a mile from the dam right now. Let's see them. Oh, a little bit more fighting at the boat. Yeah, he's not as big as the other one, but still a nice one. Oh man, still a nice one. Oh, oh. Oh, now he wants to fight. Now he wants to thrash and bash. Oh. Oh. Spit that hook, you gonna do it? Sweet. Oh. If you straighten out, there we go. Heck yeah, another one. Heck yeah, been a while since I doubled up on anything. Feels good. And there he goes. Sweet. Oh, well, that was exciting. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna bait back up and chuck these two rods back out. I got one bluegill left. So we'll cut them up, sling back out there. I was about ready to leave. The action kind of died off, but looks like it picked back up. So I'll capitalize on that. I'll update y'all when I'm hooked into something. Well, folks, I think that about does it for me today. It's probably been about 45 minutes since I caught those last two. I put out fresh bait. I haven't had any action. That was my last piece of bait, so I've kind of run out of options there, but also haven't really seen anything on the fish finder. Just overall kind of feels like the bites kind of died off. So absolutely great day out here today. Caught about 5 or 6 fish, that one flathead, and then 4 or 5 blues. All of them really healthy, no monsters, but luckily didn't hook into too many dinks. They did run through some of my bait pretty early on, but other than that, very happy with the day. If you guys made it this far, please go ahead, click that like, hit the subscribe button, and until then, y'all stay safe. Catch y'all on the next one.